This is the Unidentified Trucker. We at our delivery location. This is not actually the place, but it's over there, that yellow building. But anyways, they have me delivering the load here. But just wanted to make this quick video because of the loading dock when it's on a slope. And one of the main reasons why you should have your landing gear all the way up. Because as you can see, how close that is to the ground. And that one over there is obviously touching. That's about maybe an inch or half an inch apart. So we slid our tendons all the way back because it's on a slope. But that's the purpose of this video. So make sure you have your landing gear all the way up so you don't damage your landing gear. Because if it was lower, that could have been bent, broken, destroyed, and you won't be able to drop your trailer and disconnect. So that's the purpose of this video. Hopefully that helps. If you're out there on the road, watch out for all the smart people out there. Fresh out the gate, fresh out the truck. See you on another one.